Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Actually, afternoon after 1:50 p.m. North Texas East. No, it's daylight savings Central Time, and we are here for a modification of a Dolly, four-wheel Dolly from Harbor Freight. This Dolly, this is kind of a reach for the modification, but you could probably appreciate some of this. What we've got here is I bought a attic fan that I did not get installed last winter, so I'm going to use it as a shop fan instead for the summer, and I'll probably end up getting it in the attic eventually. But I got the Harbor Freight four-wheel Dolly. We're going to screw her down. I had something else on this Dolly, so I had some 2x4s already in place. So I'll leave those in place just in case it gets wet. That'll keep the frame up off the carpet edges of the four-wheel Dolly. This fan is half an amp, so that makes it about 60 watt. I believe that's on full power. It's got 2-speed chain. This is a Home Depot GAF 24-inch direct drive. And I have another one of these up here that is not on right now because we have the air conditioning on in here because we are at 95 degrees. So we're just starting to cool down here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wire a cord to it. Now the only danger on this, of course, is the blades. Now the blades will spin this way. So the cutting or leading edge is actually on the back side of the fan. So you really can't cut your finger if you touch this side, as you'll be on the trailing edge. So the biggest issue would be this side. And I'm probably going to end up putting some sort of chicken wire, rabbit wire, stapled along there just for safety, just in case somebody comes along and for whatever reason would grab it, which probably wouldn't happen, but you just never know. So again, Redneck's no substitute for safety. And anyway, that's all I got for you. I'm gonna see if I can get the rest of this together and I'll show you the finished product. And for now, I'm gonna sign off and I'll catch you later in this video. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I will take a penny and get back to you with the finished product. Thanks. Okay, channel watchers, greetings again. I'm back with a little update on my hack of a attic fan and Harbor Freight four-wheel Dolly. So, what we've got here, let me see if I can switch this around. I decided to go center on this four-wheel Dolly, and yes, it'll blow it. So you got to back it up to something. Even on low, it does blow it back. I just put one 2-inch screw in there on the frame to the 2x that's already screwed down to the to the four-wheel. I decided to put it in the middle because I didn't want the blade to accidentally bump something, even though it can't hurt you, and I'll show you that. As you see, it can't hurt you on this side because it's the trailing edge. This side will get you. This side will really get you because it's gonna be the cutting edge. So I still have to put some kind of screening on the back. So anyway, that's my next goal, is get some something that's that size. Something that probably will keep out fingers, even though you'd still have to have quite a long finger to reach, but I don't want any accidents, so probably go with a small welded wire mesh, like a 1/4-inch hole or 1/2-inch hole. I'll see what I got around here. So far I haven't used any new money. I think the fan, I've got $75 into the fan. The Dolly was 10, but you can see it's been around a while. All right, we'll see what else I can find and get back to you. All right, I'm back finally. I've been doing getting some 1/4 inch hardware fabric mesh, welded wire mesh, whatever you want to call it. And I finally got it in place. It took way too long. I tried to fold the edges, but the thing wasn't square. That is, the wooden frame is not square, but it's in place. So, stand this back up. So the only part that can really get you won't be the propeller, but like I said, it'll be on a trailing edge. So it shan't get you. See, it'll be going this way, and it can't hurt you. About the only thing that can get you would be the edge, if you were able to catch this edge somehow, if you fell into it. But at any rate, I was also incorrect. It was not a 0.5 amp, it's a 5 amp motor. Congratulations if you caught me on that. 5 amp times 120 is 600 watts. On, I guess that'd be on high, so it's got 2 speeds. Now the one up here is identical manufacturer, but the motor is smaller. I think it's like a 1/8 horse. This is a 1/4. So that's the difference. 2.5 versus 5 amps. But this will be intermittent use, so it really is immaterial. So let me see if I can get this thing to fire up. Okay, we got 2 speeds running. Relatively safe. Wouldn't have that around if there's little kids being able to get the hold of it. But it is working. Put a little ball chain through the screen. I might put some other little feed dealy, and I may take a hammer and pound in all these edges here to maybe get you. Yeah, right. But other than that, she is a success. Probably have a $200 shop fan for $75, $85 total. Anyway, it's an industrial motor. This is made by GF, a USA manufacturer. It's 10-year warranty, so hopefully it will last long. Now this one I have up in the attic of the garage that I run 24/7 unless I'm in here with AC. This bad boy, shoot, it's over 20 years old. I've used synthetic grease. I've used synthetic grease on the I popped the caps off either end and packed it with synthetic grease, and that seems to be the ticket. You need maximum lubrication, and you need something that doesn't dry out. Oil will always dry out eventually. Now, that was squealing, but I haven't packed it in maybe 10 years, maybe 6. I don't know. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you earn your subscription today, and please click the bell, and that'll give you an alert if I've got some goodies coming up on new videos. And thanks for watching. God bless and goodbye and good night.